Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, so sorry no webcast yesterday. With all the issues that Verizon was having up and down the East Coast, nothing would open, and it was just a pain. So that looks to be all resolved. Well, it got resolved yesterday morning, but it's certainly resolved today. So where we are is, for me, we're in the midst of a multi-day consolidation. So you can see the new all-time high, 69 quarter on the September contract. You've got potential lower highs the last couple of days. That really opens up potentially the 9-day down at 29.28 if the bears can push. But the story is really told here on the hourly chart. This is what I showed my subscribers yesterday morning. It's like, look, I get it that we went to all-time highs and it got knocked back, but didn't get rejected and back through. So, we went up. They took it down Friday, but they didn't execute the larger move down. So we just kind of kept consolidating. We consolidated through the vast majority of the regular session yesterday. It just didn't do much. It had a little bit of a downward slant, but it really didn't go anywhere. So you're talking about, consolidation really since Thursday with some outliers, with a pop here and a drop here and a pop here and a little bit of a move down there into the Friday close. But that's really all. What we're seeing in the overnight tonight is you are seeing potential lower highs, a series of them, and then you're seeing potential resistance to the hourly midband here, which is a nice little drop. And then we're coming back now to retest. That line is basically 29.50. So if midband resistance can solidify itself, then you can see a push potentially to a lower low. That, for me, opens up the weekly pivot down at 29.35 half on a Tuesday, and you get an early week test of that weekly pivot. We'll see who wants to hold it. We'll see what they want to do with it, and they can use that as a barometer for who's got tape control the rest of the week. If the bulls can hold it, then you really have to start looking at, a move back to 69 quarter, and we'll see what it looks like beyond that, because they'll get the directional up days at the end of the week. If the bears can convert the weekly pivot, if they can continue to hold the daily midband, then, like I said, you see a push back towards the 9-day, which is down around 28, and you can see the pre-FOMC price down there, 29.2275. So I am really, really watching 29.47 to 29.50 today off the open. That's going to be the bull-bear line to decide what we want to do as we head into the second half of the day. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. More stuff out on social. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.